Hi everyone, welcome to Virtual Comrade. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Tor browser on Windows 10. Tor browser is an excellent tool for secure and private browsing. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser or any other favorite browser. In the search bar, type Tor Browser Download for Windows 10 and press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, you'll see the official website of Tor browser at the top of the search results. Click on that website. Once the website opens, you'll see an interface like this. In the top right corner, there's an option that says Download Tor Browser. Click on it. Now scroll down, and here you'll find different download options. Look for the one that says Download for Windows, and click on it. After a few seconds, your software will start downloading in the top right corner of your browser. Since I'm using IDM, the IDM dialog box pops up for me. I'll save the file on my desktop and click on Start Download. Now that the download is complete, I'll close the dialog box and start installing the Tor browser on my PC. Here's the setup file for Tor browser. Just right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. It will ask for permission. Just click Yes, and the setup will start. Next, you'll be asked to choose a language. You can select any language you want. I'll select English and click OK. Now it will ask where you want to install the browser. When you click on Browse, it lets you choose a location. I'll stick with the default location and click on Install. The installation process has started, and depending on the speed of your system, it might take a little more or less time. By the way, if you haven't liked the video yet or subscribed to the channel, do that now. All right, the software is installed. You'll see two options here. One, Run Tor Browser. If you leave this checked and click Finish, the browser will open automatically. Two, create a desktop shortcut. If you don't want a shortcut on your desktop, you can uncheck this. I'll uncheck it and click on Finish. And there we go. The Tor browser is now open. Here, you need to click on Always Connect Automatically and then click Connect to Tor. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the Tor browser on your Windows 10 PC. Now you can enjoy private and secure browsing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Virtual Comrade for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy browsing.